Hi all, this is Rahul. Welcome to my YouTube channel Automation Tool. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and click on notification bell. So today's our topic is how to run Postman script from command line. So our first step will be we need to check whether node.js is installed in our system or not. For that we need to execute this command. You can even execute this command or this command. So let me open cmd here and type node-v. See, in my case, I've already downloaded and installed. That is why it is showing Node version, right? So if in your case it is not installed, you'll get this error message. Now I will tell you how to download Node.js. So let me open Chrome here. Just type it download Node.js. Let's click on first link. And here you'll get one LTS and current. So LTS means long-term stable release. So this is very good. So click on LTS, and if you are using Windows, click here, or if you are using Mac OS, you can install it from here. So in my case, I'm using Windows, so I'll be clicking here. It is showing field error. Let me again click. So now it is downloading, but I have already downloaded and installed. So that is why it was showing the version name of Node.js. So after installation, you can again hit this command and check whether it is installed or not. Now after installation, we need to install this package. So let me install this package here. So the package commands are npm install -g NEWMAN. Now hit enter. So it will take couple of minutes to install, so let's wait. So after this installation, what we need to do, we need to export collection or environment. If we are using environment, we can export it, otherwise it's not needed in one folder. We need to export these things in one folder. Or if we are using test data also, we need to paste that test data in that folder only, where we have pasted collection or environment. So we'll see whether it is installed or not. Now it is installed, right? So we can check whether it is installed or not. So I will tell you how to check. Just go to your C, Windows C, click on users, click on your username, click on app data, click on roaming. After that, click on npm. Inside this, you'll get one node modules, right? So inside this, you'll get, see, I've installed that NEWMAN package. That is why NEWMAN package is already there. I will tell you in the next video, like why have you installed this HTML extra, I will tell you. So don't worry. So it is already installed. Now I'll be exporting all the collection or environment. So let me explain what I have done here. So I have created one collection. Inside this collection, I have created one folder, and inside that folder, I have created one post request. So in the post request, you can see there is one body, name, job, and this is URL. And in this, all the three, we have created three variables, right? And URL variable, name variable, and job variable. So all these three variables, I am referring from the environment level. You can see and URL, name, and job. After that, I have created one test tab also, right? Now we'll be exporting all these two things in one folder. So let me create one folder here. So I'll be creating one folder, new folder. I will give name Postman and click enter. Now go to your Postman. Now we need to export, right? So we need to export this collection. So for that, what we need to do, just click on three dot and you'll get one export. See, click on this export. Now this is the recommended one, so it is by default, so no need to change here. Just click on export. Now inside this Postman, you can just save it, right? Save it. So it is saved. Now we need to export environment, right? So for that, what we need to do, we need to click on download environment and we can save it here. So in case if you're using environment, in that case you can export, but if you're not using, no need to export, right? Now we have exported. In this postman we have exported these two things. Now since I'm using test data, so I've already created here test data, and I will be putting this test data inside this folder only, right? Now all three things are there here. So now we need to run from CMD, right? So just click it here. Now type CMD and click enter. Now we need to write NEWMAN command, right? So let me write NEWMAN commands. For that, NEWMAN run and -e. -e represent environment name. So as we are using environment, so we need to give environment name here, right? So -e. So let me copy this name. So I'll be copying this whole name. Control C. Now we need to paste it, right? Now after this, we are using test data also, right? So for test data, we need to give -d and this test data name. Now just copy it, go to your CMD, paste it. Now I will tell you one thing. See, you can see inside this collection, I have created one folder. Inside this folder, we have one request. So for that, you need to give one hyphen folder. You need to give like this. If you are using folder, hyphen folder. After this, you need to give the folder name here, post. Since I'm using post, so that is why I have given here, right? Now, sorry. Now after this is the collection name, our collection name, right? So this collection name we need to copy and we need to paste it here, right? Now all things are done here. We have given environment name, test data, as well as folder name and collection name, right? Now we need to hit enter. Now it is executing. So you can see here our folder name is post, that is why it is coming inside this API collection. You can see here API is our collection name, so that is why API is showing here. Inside this API post is our folder, that is why post is coming here. Inside this post, this create post user is the request, so this request name is coming, right? Now you can see here the URL 201 created, right? So it is executing. You can see all the things here like iteration, how many iteration we have done. So we have executed one time, that is why it is coming 1, request 1, test script 1, pre-request script 0, assertions 0. So failed, none of them failed, right? So I've told you the concept how to run from CMD, and I hope you understood all the concept which I explained in this video. If you like the video, please like, comment and share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe the channel and click on notification bell. Thank you and take care.